Hello friends, in this video we will be learning about Space Mouse. So friends, in this first we will introduce the topic, then we will be learning about traditional mouse, then Space Mouse emergence, means the need of a Space Mouse, then its features, then its working, followed by degree of freedom, further followed by functions, then types, then specifications, then applications, then advantages, followed by disadvantages, further followed by further scope, and then lastly we will conclude the topic. So let's first understand what is Space Mouse. It is a professional 3D controller for manipulating objects in a 3D environment. It has different modes of operation in which it can also be used as a two-dimensional mouse. It can control 3D camera angles and positions for viewing the object. It enables the user to intuitively zoom, pan, and rotate models. It is a traditional mouse. These are the 11 parts of a traditional mouse. Its mouse ball, its shaft, its roller, its infrared LED and infrared sensor arrangement, its processor clip. So these are the basic components of a traditional mouse. Now, Space Mouse emergence means the need of Space Mouse. It was needed for 3D navigation. In the late 1970s, Institute for Robotics and System Dynamics, Germany, started research on it. The research was on devices for the sixth depth of field control of robot grippers called Jarvis in Cartesian space. Cartesian space. The first space mouse called Magellan, was used to control robot in space. Its features: ease of use of manipulating objects in 3D applications. 9 programmable buttons adjust sensitivity and motion control to the user's preference. Fingertip operation for maximum precision and performance. Calibration free sensor technology for high precision and unique reliability. Natural hand position resting on table eliminates fatigue. Working. Space Mouse works on two fundamental principles. First, mechatronics, and second, sensory concept. Mechatronics is concerned with the design, automation, and operational performance of electromechanical systems. It is a blending of mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, and computing. Uh, Next, multisensory concept. It involves realization of multiple coordinate senses to faster accuracy. Is degree of freedom now means it can up, down, then back, forward, left, right, roll and pitch, and also yaw. Now its functions: first menu key, then panel key, functional keys, view keys, 2D or 3D keys, and fit keys. So these are the function keys. These are control, alt, shift, and escape keys. It is the cap and power wheel. It is the fit key. It is the 2D or 3D key. It is view keys. It's LCD. It's pay panel key. It's menu key. Now this is the uh, inside structure of this button. Like this, it is the inside structure. You can see. Now this is the inside structure of these buttons. Now this is the inside structure of a whole shape Space Mouse. These are the four options of escape, shift, control, and alt. Now types of Space Mouse. There are two types of Space Mouse. First is Space Mouse Classic and second is Space Mouse Plus. Space Mouse Classic it is as essential a tool as your mouse or keyboard, giving us the ability to manipulate 3D objects on the screen while simultaneously controlling 3D camera angles and position for viewing those objects. The Space Mouse Plus is a high performance motion controller proven to enhance productivity and comfort for users of demanding 3D software applications. The Space Mouse Plus delivers a more efficient and balanced way to work. Its specification like Space Mouse Classic, sensitivity adjustable buttons, 9 programmable, interface RS232C to connector D sub 9 pin, weight 1.46 lb or 0.66 kg, dimensions 6.50 into 4.41 into 1.57 means 165 into 112 into 40 mm. Then EMC standards, FCC, CE and EMI approved, warranty 36 months. Space Mouse Plus sensitivity adjustable, buttons 11 programmable plus quick tip, interface RS232C or USB, connector D sub 9 pin or USB, weight 0.68 kg, dimensions 7.40 into 4.72 into 1.73 means 188 into 120 into 44 mm. EMC standards FCC, CE, EMI, BCIQ and VCCI approved, warranty 36 months. Now application CAD or CAM or CAE, Auto CAD, Autodesk Inventor, second digital content creation, 3D Max, Body Paint 3D, third productivity tools, Adobe Photoshop and Internet Explorer. Its advantages: a mouse works very well for navigating a graphical user interface such as Windows. With additional buttons and a scroll wheel, increasingly complex functions can be done from a mouse. These include opening, closing and minimizing of space objects. Now, or more advantages like information technology is very easy to grow, move and delete files, and even image editing with software like Photoshop. Space Mouse is better for fine movements and adjustments than most of the alternatives. Disadvantages: it is too expensive, like it nearly $8,000 earlier, but however now it's reduced to about $3,000, even though manufacturing cost is less than $1,000. It works only if RS232 interface is provided. The Mac version yet doesn't support virtual number pad and on-screen menus. Now, the future scope: the graphic simulation and manipulation of 3D volume objects and virtual worlds and their combination. A most intuitive controlling device would be a system that can be instructed by watching and imitating the user. This is called the visual space mouse. Now, conclusion. The features of a space mouse are not only applicable to the graphic simulation and 3D objects, but they will strongly change the whole world of manufacturing and constructing technology. It is also applicable to other areas of science like chemistry, biology, and also in entertainment. No other technology can beat the space mouse in its simplicity and yet high precision. With this, I've ended the presentation. Thank you. Merry Christmas, friends, and I wish you a Happy New Year. If you have enjoyed the video, then please like it, share it, subscribe my channel Knowledge Booster, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to comment in the comment box. Bye, friends. Stay safe. Take care.